welcome to यार मेरा superstar. You are with me Sangeeta and this is the most amazing episode. Already मैं कह रही हूँ क्योंकि एक नहीं दो नहीं तीन लड़कियां हैं आज and normally ये होता है कि you think कि नहीं यार मतलब comedians का नाम ले तो लड़कियों का नाम काफी कम होता है but they are ones who have made sure that ये ना हो and और लड़कियां comedy करें and I'm talking about Malika Dua. Hello, welcome to the show. And there's Kaneez. Hello. We must tell you कि हमने इतनी सारी बातें off air भी कर ली है.
I think we know each other.
Yeah, we know each other like in and out, literally.
Like chaddi buddies we are.
Oh, okay. Yeah, literally in and out, chaddi buddies. But talking about comedy.
Yeah.
मतलब dude, ये बहुत कम होता है कि comedians जब award भी announce होता है ना, and the best comedian award जब होते थे, लड़के आके awards लेके जाते थे. लड़कियां तभी भी in Bollywood, in films बहुत ज़्यादा आगे नहीं आई हैं comedy में. And you guys have made a career out of this. मतलब how? How did you decide कि नहीं आज I have made a decision, it's comedy जो मुझे करना है. Malika.
Ask her, she started first.
Come on, Kaneez.
No, I mean, like, honestly, for me, it fell in my lap. Like, I was doing improv in 2005, and then Cyrus and Kunal found me, and they were like, do you want to be part of the week that wasn't? And that's when my career started off.
Right.
So back then, when even, like, comedy wasn't really a thing, like the comedy as we know it now, back then, the week that wasn't came up, and that's when I started.
And
So
it's been 11 years?
it's been 11 years.
Whoa.
It's not like I just, thank you.
You're a pro, bro. Seriously.
No, but it's not like, again, it's not like I consciously made that choice. It kind of just happened. I tried something and it took off, and then from there it kind of
Superb.
expanded.
And I will look towards my left because ये full नौटंकी है. मतलब dub smash videos या फिर Snapchat. अच्छा तुम arrest नहीं हुई Snapchat के वजह से? इरादा भी नहीं
मेरे
है.
friends ने already कर दिया.
Arrest हो चुका. So then at least been there, done
Arrest
that.
नहीं हुआ, मतलब धमकी.
Almost.
हाँ.
But how? How did this comedy thing happen with
So I've always been like a joker, like at home, always. You know, like.
you? You already have that.
Yeah, for as long as I remember, you know, since I was a kid. But that said, I never knew that I wanted to do this as a profession. And even now, I don't call myself a comedian. I say मैं actor हूँ.
Actor.
So, yeah. But what happened was that I was studying theatre in college. And when I would come back home for the summer, I would do these plays, okay? And these mad comedy plays, and I just realized that I really had a knack for something. And very desi comedy, kuch to tha, because that audience in those plays, they'd really have a good time. And, you know, they would go back, and I had good chemistry with my actors and things like that. And I knew that that's something I want to keep doing. So, but when I graduated from college, I was like, I can't sit in Delhi and wait for things to happen. I want to do a job. I want to learn other things. So I took up copywriting because I had a flair for that, turns out. And yeah, but I never stopped auditioning. I did all of that, and I always nurtured this dream on the side.
कि acting
करना है,
करूँगी मैं.
हाँ, but Bombay ही जाके struggle नहीं करूँगी. Because it's like a waste of time.
Makeup दीदी.
Yeah, so I was like, I'll make money, I'll sit at home, I'll use my time judiciously, but I'll nurture that dream, you know, I won't let go of it. And so this video happened, and I think I gave it a lot of myself, and it just worked.
Right.
And since then,
ये
like
Sarojini वाला video.
it happened, and then all the right people like started approaching me. So I think everything was aligned in a very good way. Like the timing was right, the video was right, it reached the right people. And you know, like
And
only
things just changed for you in the comedy
and
circuit.
I didn't have to make much of a decision. Like it was like, you know, TVF, AIB, OML. I was in safe hands to begin with.
So मतलब actually you were in safe hands with all these people trying to cast both of you. तो तुम दोनों ने बहुत काम किया इन सभी लोगों के साथ.
Yeah.
Exactly. है ना? तो मतलब सब विचित्र हैं. Most of them have been on this show.
What they call girls like us.
They call girls like you.
comedy whores.
Oh my God.
Am I allowed to say that on TV?
Really?
No, they don't. I've given us.
But they're like all sweet to you guys and all.
Yeah, they're amazing.
सबसे sorted group कौन सा है comedy circuit में?
Sorted, matlab, like,
They know cut. This is what we have to do.
honestly, all of them have got their own, like, thing going. I feel like AIB is very sorted, TVF.
Yeah.
They all know what their brand is. They know what they're trying to, like, what their voice is. So, it's a difficult question. I mean,
I
Like,
think
because-
as a director, I have never met someone like Tanmay, because Tanmay knows exactly what he wants. मतलब वो
exactly.
DOP के सर पे खड़े हो, अच्छा करना, चल निकालना. Okay, next shot. Which is amazing for the actors because they're not exhausted, they're not annoyed at the end of the day. ये नहीं हो रहा कि ये shot लेना है, वो shot लेना है. फालतू क्योंकि काफी फालतू shots लिए जाते हैं.
yeah, and
We know that.
especially with
But with
comedy.
Tanmay that doesn't happen.
Very honest.
Yeah, but especially with comedy, like, it's all about the timing and the energy, and a lot of times directors
Exactly.
who don't know what they're doing, like, your energy, like, just drops and your timing goes because comedy is so like, you know, you need to be there.
Yeah.
So like people like Tanmay is like great to work
Knows
with.
exactly
Because
what he wants with his shots and gets that done.
Superb. But
Like Tanmay asked us, like, when you go on the show, just make
Sachi
sure,
baat hai, that is good PR.
make sure you talk about
No, and he's very
talk
particular
about
that I have to make
I've been
the
on the
12
show, but talk about me more.
no, we genuinely love working with him.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I need to ask you this यार, मतलब कितना प्रेशर है रियल लाइफ में कि मतलब मल्लिका दुआ है हमारे साथ तो ये तो
What
जोक
pressure? It's very
मारेगी.
irritating. I'm quite an introvert, so when I meet people, they're like, "You're so quiet." You're one of them.
Yeah.
Who said that? You're
said
so
that to
quiet.
myself.
I'm like, yeah, I am. You know.
She's like, yeah, I'll be okay later.
Yeah, it
Once
takes.
I get
I need
know
to
you.
warm up and all, and then also like the reason why I act is because I'm more comfortable playing other people. You know, on screen, on stage, whatever.
Not yourself.
Exactly, and that's why I like being quiet.
कितने लोग रहते हैं मल्लिका दुआ के अंदर?
बहुत सारे.
कौन कौन है? चलो स्टार्ट हो जाओ, बताओ कौन.
यार बहुत है, कुछ तो बॉयज हैं 5-6, फिर it sounds so wrong. Wow.
There are a couple of boys.
So many guys
inside.
in me at
Some
once.
girls, some aunties,
Yeah.
uncles. There are a whole bunch of people
Great
inside
fun,
me.
stun, orgy, you know, amazing. नहीं वो बहुत सारे लोग रहते हैं अभी और कुछ कुछ तो मतलब आ जाते हैं, you know, I get possessed also sometimes.
Oh my God, you
कौन
think
है
you're
ये character?
Can we focus on Kaniz? I'm just making an ass of myself right now.
You're not. But I want to know the best time when you're possessed. कौन हो तुम? According to you.
Yeah, what's your
मतलब यार ये मेरे अंदर आ जाए तो बस
This
amazing
really
होता है.
sassy girl, मतलब मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, ठीक है, यहाँ से निकलो अभी जल्दी शॉर्ट्स. मतलब कभी-कभी बहुत sassy हो जाती हूँ.
And she's not really like the sassy
That's
girl.
an alter ego. That's a real.
Yeah,
That's what she really wants to be.
Alter ego.
Basically.
कभी ये पहली बार जब अंदर बहुत सारे लोग बाहर आ रहे थे लगा कि कोई प्रॉब्लम है कि ये क्या हो रहा है मैं इतने सारे
बड़ा
लोग क्यों
अच्छा
बन रही हूँ?
लगा ऐसे रिलीज एकदम लाइक यू नो लॉलगैज़म्स टाइप बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग है.
Lolgasm. Is that your? Oh my God, this is fabulous.
क्या
Great
words
word.
हैं. इंग्लिश नहीं आती तो अपनी लैंग्वेज बना.
Lolgasm.
या काफी.
मतलब आप तो improv workshop and all you take, yeah? So what happens in an improv workshop?
So improv is like, have you seen Whose Line Is It Anyway?
Yes.
So you just get on stage, you get a suggestion from the audience, and then you have to just make comedy on the spot.
Okay.
No, it's not. But the thing is, like, it's usually with the group. Like, I have a group with Kanan, Kenny, and Avish.
Right.
We call the improvisers, and
Right.
it's just together we do it. So it's not scary because if
with
you're
your friends and
yeah,
everyone's giving
and if exactly, and if you're burning and crashing, like people are there to support you. Unlike stand-up, where if you burn and crash,
You're gone.
you by yourself. Like
Scarred for
You're
life.
Life.
Yeah.
So you've never done stand-up?
No, I've never
Kyun?
done stand up. I'm really scared, yeah. So
I can never imagine Makeup Didi slash Kanchan slash Komal being like scared.
No, I am because वो तो on stage generally people play themselves. No, I mean I'm willing to go and do characters on stage, which is what I'll do this year because you know.
Get into it.
Sharpener मुझे.
Just milk it.
Just milk it. But just to go on stage, like Kaniz and I were just discussing this backstage that there are a few comedians like you have Zakir Khan, you have Kenny. They tell you about real incidents that happened with
साथ
them,
हुआ है.
they've experienced, and they draw उसमें से insight draw करते हैं. Of course थोड़ा exaggerate करके बताते हैं, but वो fun इसलिए क्योंकि उनके दिल से आ रहा है वो. मेरी इतनी मेमोरी नहीं, मुझे याद ही नहीं रहता कि मेरे साथ क्या फनी हुआ है. मतलब मैं ऑब्जर्व नहीं करती दुनिया को उस तरह.
When I met Mallika first time and any comedian, I think कि आप लोग ना बहुत observe करते हो कि अच्छा ये
करते हैं, but कहीं पीछे लॉन्च हो जाता है और वो निकलता मेरे लिए अलग तरीके से
Yeah, when you
निकलता है.
want it to come out, it doesn't always.
Exactly.
But
It
also
doesn't
with
always
stand-up,
come
a lot of times, like, I don't like stand-up as much. I do a little bit, but I also, like, it's not me, really. Like, and people in India, they think stand-up means if you're a comedian, you do stand-up. And that's not
so
true.
many people have called me, you're a dub smash artist. I was like, no. And you're a stand-up comedian. I said, I'm neither
Not a
actually.
stand-up, yeah.
The one is not even a profession. The other I'm not.
It's not even
Smash artist. एक ऐप है जो 2 साल पहले बहुत cool था. आप उसकी artist हो. I said, thanks.
No, but so many times I've done stand-up and people are like, I thought you were really funny on TV, but you're not very funny. And I'm like, because it's a different, it's a different skill
different
set.
energy, different skill set.
It's
अलग format अलग है.
a different format. So while we can be funny in
Yeah.
other mediums, like stand-up it's a different kind of, you need a different.
Also, I'm quite lazy.
You're lazy in life.
So writing jokes.
Listen, you were really worried क्योंकि तुम दिल्ली से शिफ्ट हुई थी मुंबई कि मेरे बाल खराब ना हो जाए. That was like she didn't even care कि देखो मेरे को कुछ आए offers.
And tell us, and did your hair get spoiled?
look at it. What is going on?
It's looking fine.
So I generally, you know, for my shoots and all, now I've just started saying, get me a wig, a half wig. It will save us all time, energy, and
true.
mental health. So just get it.
I like her. She's like very chilled out, and
Yeah.
so are you, madam. अब तुम promise करोगी कि तुम इस show में सिर्फ हिंदी में बात
हाँ
करोगी?
ठीक है
ठीक है, लंबी खामोशी।
ठीक है
ठीक है,
चलो
ठीक
शुरू
है,
करो
दो गुना लगा।
हाँ चलो मैं बहुत खुश है
खुश है। तुम हो गया वो है।
हाँ मैं बहुत खुश है मैं यहाँ पे है शुक्रिया धन्यवाद चलो हम शुरू करो
Okay, listen, but अब जाके तुम हिंदी lessons ले रही हो।
बताओ.
हाँ मैं हिंदी सीखा नहीं
क्या?
सीखा
कितना सीखा?
2
किससे सीखा मत बोलो, उसकी नौकरी चली जाएगी right now.
उनका नाम है अनीता उनका नंबर है नहीं
Anita's vanished.
वो ब्रिटिश है.
I'm actually following a textbook.
What mean Anita British है?
नहीं, मैं
She's not British.
she's not.
Okay.
I'm actually learning from a book. I'm on chapter 4, guys. मैं अभी gender करो.
Gender.
gender कर रहा हूँ.
So every time Kanis is confused कि वो कर रही है कि कर रहा है, she eats her words. कि gender कर.
मैं gender कर रहा हूँ.
Gender करो.
So you are from South Africa, right? Born and brought up
हाँ
there.
जी.
So मतलब coming to India, अभी इतने सारे लोग ना accent ये बहुत ज्यादा बोलते हैं कि यार ये गई 1 महीने वेकेशन आगे एक्सेंट के साथ.
And I
You are still here for 11 years
किसकी
with
बात
that
कर रहे हो
accent.
आप संगीता?
किसी की भी नहीं यार इतने
Why don't you
लोग-
just be open?
I'm telling you openly, people who don't even go abroad and come have an accent
Yes,
nowadays.
and they think I'm that person. So on you should see on
ध्यान
the
से देखिए
internet.
से,
On
is
the-
it not true?
In the internet, you should see they're just like, who is this BITCH with an accent?
That didn't help. You should have just said it.
Guys, इतने सारे shows पे लोग देसी मतलब दिल्ली से बाहर नहीं गए उनके accents होते हैं. What about that?
Yeah, that's true. There are accents all
I've done a
over.
computer's course and all like.
Exactly. So, have you been trolled because of your accent?
Yes,
Life में?
all the time.
Yeah?
I get trolled all the time for my accent. They're
So
like,
what do people say?
They just like they think I'm putting on a fake accent. They're like, we hate this American accent, this British, this Australian. I'm like, first of all, South African accent. It's not American or British.
सब American.
Just any Western accent.
हमारे सब accent American.
Czechoslovakian accent is horrible. I'm like, what? Like, I get trolled. But then, to be honest, like if I put on an Indian accent, then I'm being the same as those people who put on Western accents, right?
Point यार.
Right?
That's actually
This
a
is
point.
true.
But weather girl, आपको कैसे लग रहा है मुंबई शहर का weather आजकल?
अभी बहुत ठंडी है बहुत ठंडी है वो सब सुंदर समुंदर में सब हवा आएगा शहर में और हम लोग
You're so cute.
sorry
मतलब you've done this of course in the videos and all. People used to think तुम act कर रही हो. तुम actually ऐसी
My
हो
father
यार.
thought she's acting and he
मुझे भी
keeps
लगा.
circulating the videos. Brilliant, you must watch this, must watch. But this is excellent, and he loves that video. Uska Weather Girl wala. Even I thought that she.
Accent ये तो मतलब put on
I was
है.
like, this is too brilliant, yeah.
how did she write that
can someone
I
do
didn't
that?
write it
ये मैं हूँ. This is how it is. Deal with it. But you come from a family मतलब journalist पापा,
Yeah.
doctor मम्मी, and यहाँ पे तो मतलब ये भी कहा जाता है.
Clinical psychologist sister. So
Exactly.
everybody's fine.
Everyone is fine and sane in that house.
Yeah.
How do they deal with the madness?
So we're all mad only. I think my mom's the sanest out of all of us.
wow, really?
She was
Sis-
pulling her hair out.
Yeah, no, मतलब sometimes she
हाँ.
does. But she's now understood कि सबसे ज़्यादा पागल तो मैं और पापा हैं. And actually, I even my sister Bakul, she's also quite crazy.
हाँ.
Bakul, B-A-K-U. She hates her name because apparently it's a Gujju boy name. Only Gujarati boys are called Bakul.
Bakul Shah
Bakul, yeah,
She
you
asked
know.
my parents, I was like, इसको इतना अच्छा नाम दे दिया, मुझे क्या नाम दे दिया?
Bakul
Bakul,
sorry.
Yeah. No, so they've understood कि मतलब
She should say Bakul with an accent.
Yeah.
Should be fine.
Bakul.
Bucks?
Bucks.
Okay, Bucks.
Bakul
Bakul. She's
Bakul.
called Bakul in school.
Bakul. Okay. So they are like okay with it now.
Yeah, they were never
What
not
are the
okay
reactions
with
to your videos, yeah?
So my parents came to watch my plays and all, right?
Haan.
Like, and they were crazier than the videos that I do because theatre is larger than anything else, right? So and longer as a format and more rehearsed, so better, you know. So they are used to all of this. They know that I would do all of that, and then I started doing a job. So then they were like, "ठीक है, वो अपना कुछ कर रही है, whatever." They were always like supporting me and proud of me. Then when this dub smash happened, my parents are big sports, okay? Like my dad would instantly, like he would never be bothered that,
Yeah,
oh, I'm
mama,
a serious
mama,
journalist
mama,
or
that
married.
one, yeah.
He would aram se come and do it with me. Like for his kids, he's always, willing to humor them. So they were part of it, and I think that's what made them work
That was
more.
too cool. Yeah, that video still now people watch.
Yeah.
And
Dub
he
Smash Gaya,
steals
by the
my
way.
But they still watch
thunder in those videos.
That's
because,
true.
Yeah,
I
because
must
he
say.
also has a theatre background. Like
Ah.
he's done it and he's written a lot for theatre, so he
It has to
understands.
be in you, no?
Yeah.
It's in your blood.
It's in my blood.
But now, Bollywood, our favorite topic.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. Are you guys Bollywood obsessed? कोई movies मतलब we watch movies?
Yeah, I'm not say obsessed.
Yeah.
Because Kanis, you were away from India for quite some time. तो कभी होता था वहाँ पे जाके हिंदी films देखूंगी मैं.
No, I was brought up with Hindi films.
हाँ, कौन से films?
Lamhe, Krantiveer.
क्रांति. किसका खून किसका? Tell me one dialogue you remember.
No, I don't know any dialogues.
No? Come on, try.
Like my parents, because they're from Bombay, so when they went there, they tried to keep our
Yeah.
culture alive in South Africa. And they take us. They would
With Krantiveer.
Yeah, I mean,
And Lamhe.
random.
Lamhe.
But they tried to we used to go to this place called Durban just to go pick up Hindi movies. So we'd drive 4 hours.
Maximum Desi population.
Yeah, where the
world
max
is
exact in Durban.
Yeah.
And we'd go. There's one guy who used to have all the Hindi movies, like illegally record them on tape, and then we would take them back
We're
to our
talking about
Very
this
nice.
illegally. Right now, you are watching it and
I was a
saying.
little child.
This was in 89, 90.
I was born in 89.
Oh my God.
It's okay.
Let's just have a moment for me.
Why?
I'm old.
Almost age bata diya.
But like I know all the Hindi. Like I will kill. I will like me and Antakshari.
What?
Oh, boom! Like I don't know all the lyrics, but I know all the songs.
Because we're talking about Bollywood, so you name 5 film life में जो देखकर इतना सरदर्द हुआ ना कि you literally wanted to pull your hair off.
No entry.
The last scene was funny, yaar.
See, I don't remember these things. I've seen so many shitty movies.
Yeah.
Okay, off late.
Suryavansham.
Suryavansham.
All the housefuls.
And
She has like this. उसमें तो
Sala
तीन
Khadus.
Sala Khadus you didn't like.
I love
okay.
Madhavan, but I didn't like it.
Okay.
And what
Oh.
else?
Off late कोई भी नहीं देखी.
Matlab, I didn't like basically.
बेफिक्रे. It's okay.
Yeah.
I like
I didn't
No,
like.
but I loved all the elements in it. I just didn't like the final product.
Yeah. Okay, and the last one.
Chashme Badur Part 2.
चश्मे बदूर जो remake हुआ था.
Yeah, like one was like,
She remembered that also, man. 10 on 10. What about you? She's very convenient, houseful. So, मतलब 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
For all four
Hum
Shakal. And
no.
I think I actually did a cameo in one movie, which was, in my opinion, the worst movie.
Which
Bollywood.
one?
This was in 2005. I did a cameo in this movie called Dosti Friends Forever.
ये कौन सी film
Do
है?
you guys remember? Anyone remember this?
Everybody, even if they don't remember, they're going to Google it right now.
But yeah,
Dosti Friends Forever.
with
कौन था
Kareena
इसमें?
Kapoor, Akshay Kumar, and Juhi Chawla.
What?
Directed
Release
by.
हुई film?
Huh?
That's the most unlikely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Bobby Deol.
Directed by Bobby.
No,
वो
actors.
गाने
All
बजा.
4 of them were in this movie. What's the director's name? He anyway, I forget.
Oh,
One
really?
क्या क्या?
क्या कहना?
Oh, they-
Why, what's funny about क्या कहना?
What is this?
It's not that. I mean, they were addressing a very important
No,
social
I'm sure
issue.
they were, but like there were some really like amazing scenes in it, like वो principal को थप्पड़ मारना और फिर जब
yeah.
पूरा college उसको शन कर रहा है. These are institutes treating people like that, and I don't know होता होगा, but मतलब I loved it. It's my favorite.
Okay, we've spoken a lot about
Yeah,
these films
I
now.
love
Okay,
और
कभी
फिर पेंटिंग बात भी करती है, फिर बेबी अच्छा लगने लगता है. हाँ तो वो सब भी yeah.
हमने क्या
I'm
कहना?
not big on logic. I'm
This
not
is
saying I am.
synopsis
but-
of क्या कहना. Okay, but okay, बहुत सारे roles offer. इनको तो आ गए हैं. इनको Bollywood offers
Of
आए हैं.
course.
And what is the kind
Heroine
of
की fat friend Rose. Every freaking day. It's very quirky role. आपके लिए बहुत ही जैसे आप हो ना जैसे quirky सा कुछ quirky. आज किसी ने मुझे quirky बोला ना दोबारा जूता फेंक के मारूंगी आराम ना कर.
Quirky, that's how they
सारे
describe quirky
auditions
roles.
वालों को लगेगा. I mean, it's just so annoying. Quirky. ये वो. It's very fun-loving character, तो ये सब तो होता है.
हाँ.
I also got a serious one which I had to pass because I was advised not to do it and all. I'm feeling bad now.
अच्छा.
But yeah, आते हैं and then a lot of things, auditions, they get lost in the loop and stuff. So right now I'm in a very confused phase
Same.
because there are half, half of the casting directors will be like कि skinny हो जाए, so beautiful, this and that.
हाँ.
ये शायद मैंने खुद ही ऐड किया है, beautiful.
You are beautiful.
तो ये eyelashes बहुत naturally curly है. मैंने mascara भी नहीं लगाया.
Yeah, but makeup, दीदी का makeup was bang on today.
It's very natural look.
Very natural.
Long eyelashes.
Yeah. It's
Okay.
beautiful.
Three most well-dressed heroines. जो makeup दीदी जो है उनको 10 on 10 देगी. Both of you
Sonam
tell me.
Kapoor, Kangana Ranaut, of
Yes.
course, and the third is
Yes.
heroines. Zaruri hai. I love the way
Actors.
Kiran Rao dresses. I love her sense of dressing.
And actors.
It's the most.
I also really like Uma Qureshi, the way Huma Qureshi dresses. Very pretty.
Huma Qureshi. And who else?
Actors?
Actors.
Oh, I love the way Ranveer Singh.
Yeah.
I love it. Like the stuff he pulls off
Yeah.
is. I'm like, how did you pull that off? Phenomenal.
Seriously.
Have you guys noticed how girls love the way Ranveer Singh dresses,
Yeah.
but the men actually criticize that?
Really?
Yeah. A
Oh.
lot of people say कि यार मतलब क्या पहन के आया है? And girls are like, oh my god, he's just so
I mean,
cool.
he's like
Yeah.
putting off some print and some dhoti. I
Because
don't
it's
know what,
pleasant.
but he's
No,
just
it's not a black tux.
yes.
Like it's
just
more than
something
that.
A little bit more.
It's fun.
Who needs makeup?
What the
Bollywood
hell?
She's like,
I'm not answering
Yeah, like,
this.
she's like a magic
question.
calls आ रहे हैं. वो भी नहीं आएंगे
ये
मुझे.
कैसा question है?
No, but someone who looks
Who needs
needs
makeup?
makeup generally.
I mean, you should really just love yourself.
मतलब love your hashtag, love yourself.
I think ये जो these KRK types, वो जो plaster of Paris.
They just need to change their face.
Yeah, like
They don't need
conceal.
makeup.
They just need to change
Conceal
their
for once and for all. Just conceal.
and they conceal your personality as well. Okay.
Yeah. Contour it a little.
Your face and personality.
Okay, tell me something. Who is that actor जो एक amazing stand-up comedian बन सकता है?
Who did I really like? Just think about this the other day. I was like, he'd be so good as a stand-up comedian. Damn it. Sorry, if you can think of a name.
Bollywood में.
Bollywood actor become a.
Actor,
Oh,
actress.
Karan Johar. Sorry.
Yeah,
Like he's
yeah.
like after the roast. Are we allowed to say
So
roast?
witty.
Yeah, we can. It's okay. उसके लिए rest नहीं
His
होगी.
comic timing is
Fabulous.
superb.
Yeah.
Karan Johar.
Yeah,
huh?
like his delivery of jokes is just spot on. I'm
So
like,
he
that's-
should be a stand-up
Yes,
comedian.
He
you should
can
try
be
it.
very
And any actress?
I think Pariniti Chopra could be.
Maybe.
She's
Again
quite
after.
funny, yeah.
She's funny.
Yeah?
Yeah.
She's funny otherwise also.
Yeah,
She's
she's-
quite witty.
Yeah.
Okay. So, right now in Bollywood, पहले हुआ करता था.
Even Lisa could. Lisa Hayden. She's really funny in real life.
Really?
Yeah, I just did a show with her. Shameless plug.
What's it called, Malika?
It's called The Trips.
What time is it?
Antoinette Padhe. No, she's damn funny, I realize. So, of course, her role in Jab Tak Hai... No,
Eh Dil Hai
Eh Dil Hai
Mushkil.
Mushkil.
Vatavaran.
Vatavaran had come out right before we started shooting. But then we realized on set she's a very funny person.
What does she do? She just is witty.
Like, in a way, Jennifer Aniston kind of way.
Yeah.
Smart, yeah?
Yeah.
Very cool. Okay. If I ask you, we were just talking about award functions
Yeah.
and जहाँ पे इतने सारे categories होते हैं. तो पहले comedian के लिए अलग category हुआ करता था.
हाँ.
Comedians करके एक अलग लोग भी होते थे जो कॉमेडी करते थे. आजकल कुछ नहीं होता है. लीड जो है वो कॉमेडी करता है. You know? So do you think that should change or it's a good thing?
It's a good thing
It's a
because
great
people
thing.
like us can be leads then.
Exactly.
We're
my
not.
वाह. So you want to do Bollywood में films?
Yeah.
You're open to it.
4 साल थिएटर नहीं पढ़ा इतने पैसे खर्च करके कि मैं Instagram, Snapchat पे वीडियोस बनाती हूँ.
So Bollywood is where you see yourself.
I mean, I would like to.
And किसके साथ acting करना चाहती हो तुम?
I would love to see your opposite, like Akshay Kumar.
Yeah, Akshay Kumar.
You know he shoots early in the morning. He'll get up in the morning
No, how do you know I don't?
because I know she can sleep for 24 hours.
Yeah, I can. No, I'll figure it out. कुछ कर लेंगे.
जुगाड़ करेंगे.
No, but everyone like Ranveer Singh, Ranbir Kapoor. Who am I? Why am I choosing? मुझे इनके साथ काम करना. I want to work with everybody except for like the ones who I think suck, which is just for me to know.
Oh, वो hint तो दे दो.
No.
Okay, tell me, Kaneez.
Who would I like to act opposite in Bollywood? Definitely Ranveer Singh.
Ranveer Singh, huh?
And
She
also,
loves Ranveer.
You know, I find him funny, so I just be like I'm very big on like comic
Yeah.
chemistry, and I think I would have a good
And
comic
because
chemistry
he has
with
that
him.
ability to laugh at himself. No, that's
Exactly.
what we do. We
That's
laugh
true.
at
Exactly.
ourselves.
That's what
with
it
ease.
is.
And I think he's the only one who has
He has that ability.
Yeah.
Maybe even what's his name? Arjun Kapoor.
Yeah.
He also, like, I think he has the ability to like laugh at himself, and that'd be fun. It's fun to work with people who can take a joke.
Who can take
you know?
a joke, yeah.
So you guys, how do you act? I mean, when somebody criticizes you, are you okay with it? Are you okay with criticism? And trolls की थोड़ी देर पहले बात कर रहे थे हम.
I'm okay with criticism. I get a little affected by hate. Like sometimes I get like some really
there's a
hateful
big
comments.
difference.
But don't you think social media nowadays is full of hate?
Full of it.
Oh,
क्योंकि
man.
दोनों ने थिएटर किया है and theater में it's a different thing. You get
Completely.
instant
Instant
feedback.
validation.
But यहाँ पे तुम्हारा कोई constructive feedback
नहीं.
I don't think social media पे आता है.
नहीं आता है, बहुत love आता है. But what happens is that odd day, you know, not so much because of what you put out there, but like an opinion you may put. Like now we all know what kind of people Twitter is
Right.
full of.
Right.
They call devotees in Hindi, okay? And if you put anything that does not agree with them,
Finished.
they will find a purpose in life for the next 3 days.
Yeah.
They will ruin your life.
ऐसा last time कब हुआ था मालिका के
हुआ
साथ?
था last month, मैंने कुछ डाल दिया था
हाँ.
और उस पे पता नहीं फिर क्या क्या हुआ.
ये क्या था?
यार कुछ था, ठीक है. हटा दिया. And I removed it.
Everybody's going to go to
Yeah.
Twitter and
like, look.
No, I removed
Deleted
it.
it.
I deleted it and I made my account private because I was like, okay, wait, this is not my profession. The nation doesn't want to know from me. And it's not worth my peace of mind. So screw you guys. I'm removing it. I'm entitled to my opinion and that's how it is. I don't need to prove anything to these people. So
that's how you
removed it.
deal with it. You just
And with haters that write shit on my videos or something, I block them.
Yeah,
if you're blocked, you know why.
I also
How do
one
you?
thing I do. Like if someone gives me hate, I just send them a link to my next show, or like I send them a video of mine. I'm like, watch this. Thank you for your fan mail. This is my latest video, or this is my next show. Buy tickets here. I said,
Love and puppy.
I'm like, as soon as they're like,
Acha
you are a horrible comedian. I'm like, please come watch my next show. Thank you so much for writing in. Mwah, lots of love.
Yeah.
Like just
Like this fatty, hati, there's rubbish there, right? Then it's like,
it's it's not. And, people,
बोलते रहे तू.
and they're behind their
Yeah,
computers. They have no face, so they just say
Exactly,
anything,
anonymity
right?
is there. मतलब my
Yeah.
dad uses this term, बंदर के हाथ में उस्तरा आ गया है. वो क्या करेगा उसके साथ? You know, it is that. That's what the internet is.
Yeah, but you guys have made it big and how in the internet. But hopefully Bollywood will happen to you very soon. I'm not very sure after this segment, which is called It is the comedy and it is about writing. It's about copywriters who've been there, done that. Improv. So I'm going to throw names at you. Film के
Like
नाम.
rapid
Oh, I
fire
don't know
finish.
anything.
No. Rapid fire नहीं है. ये थोड़ा सोचने का काम है. You have to describe this film in one line.
Are we competing?
No, you can compete.
No.
No, we're not. No, I know nothing. My Bollywood knowledge is minimal.
Or then you have to talk in Hindi now. Come on.
ठीक है,
Okay,
ठीक
ठीक है? Okay, done. First film, Mohenjo-daro.
वो नाम बहुत अच्छा था
हाँ.
और वो बहुत accurate था historically.
Okay.
The only time I felt good that a civilization perished was when I watched it on screen.
हाँ, fair.
You went to the theater and watched it. Okay, बेफिक्रे.
जब आप relationship आप नहीं चाहिए relationship मगर आप sex करो तो आप relationship हो जाएगा. आप बार sex करो तो relationship हो जाएगा. हो जाएगा. Oh my God.
हो जाएगा.
हो जाएगा.
चलेगा.
हाँ जी.
चलेगा.
रिश्ते
This is
हो
damn
जाएगा.
good. रिश्ते हो जाएगा. Wow.
रिश्ते तो हो जाए.
Oh wow. I know what relationship is.
Yeah.
Improv करो.
हाँ. अगर किसी भी देसी को पेरिस जाके स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन की जॉब मिल जाती है हम सड़ नहीं रोते बॉम्बे में ह्यूमिडिटी में मतलब seriously. So that's what I thought of बेफिक्रे.
Okay, rice.
मतलब what do you want me to say?
Right?
Tell me what do you think of it.
Looks damn good with Kajol.
Yeah, he looks
And
fine.
I like Myra.
वो दोनों मेरा ज़्यादा favorite
Pair.
pair है. जोड़ी.
कौन?
काजोल और शाहरुख.
रईस में काजोल नहीं.
मुझे मालूम. मगर मैं क्या?
मुझे मालूम.
Which is generally seen life में.
If Kajol was in the movie, they would have made a great pair.
So that's your thing
That's
about
my take on Ice.
Okay, so now we're going to do something fun now.
Okay.
Delhi girl versus Mumbai girl.
Oh God.
Yeah.
She's
So you
Darban
decide.
girl.
Yeah, you have done one girl.
Okay.
You decide. Delhi, Mumbai.
Let me do
Mumbai.
Delhi
I'll
now.
do Mumbai.
Delhi, Mumbai.
हाँ.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay.
So have a conversation. Improv.
Oh God.
It's time to. It's improv time. Are you guys have done this before?
अच्छा ठीक है, let's do it.
Situation.
Okay.
Come on. How
Okay,
does
what's the
a
situation?
How does a Mumbai girl behave
sitting in a
when
cab.
winter has arrived?
Okay.
Okay, we talk about winter.
Yeah.
And Malika, you will enact
I'm a
what
Delhi
happens
girl.
in Delhi.
Yeah.
Okay. We start. And तुम्हें हिंदी में बात करनी
हाँ
पड़ेगी.
जी.
हाँ?
Like I'll do a little bit of both.
Okay.
हाँ.
Because it's weather, it
Yeah.
goes with you. हाँ? चलो, go for it.
Oh my God, it's really, really cold, huh?
Nuts.
It's like 15 degrees Celsius. Just shut up, I'll slap you. I'm like all of it's falling off only.
Because it's fake.
Oh my God, you're a bitch.
बकवास क्या कर रही थी? वो पता है ठंड क्या होती है? हाँ, मैं
क्या?
बताऊँ ठंड क्या होती है?
क्या
मेरे
होता है?
डैड बताएंगे तुझे ठंड क्या होती है, ओके?
हाँ, वो बताया कल रात को बताया मुझे आपका पापा.
हमारा घर इतना बड़ा है ना, जो गार्डन है ना वहाँ इतनी ठंड पड़ जाती है, तेरे को आइडिया ही नहीं है.
हेलो गार्डन.
हमारे गाड़ियाँ इतनी बड़ी है ना, उसमें जो हीरोज है ना, उन हीरोज के बावजूद हमें इतनी ठंड लगती है.
Heroes क्या है? Heroes.
Heroes gonna heat, babe.
I don't understand what is a hero.
नहीं मतलब, एंड तेरे को क्या ठंड लग रही है? हाँ, तू अपने जेवर पहन, डायमंड्स तेरे को ढक लेंगे वो.
क्या?
I don't know यार, I don't even know anymore. मतलब मैं क्यों shift हुई हूँ
First of
बॉम्बे
all,
से?
I don't know why you're like
ये ठंड है,
we're
ये
supposed to
ठंड
be
है.
friends, right? So why are you acting like you like hate me?
Because वो अपार्टमेंट में रहती है. मैं सिर्फ बंगले वालों से दोस्ती करती हूँ.
You know what? If that's how you're going to be, then I'll just like forget about our friendship, okay?
All right, super. This was
And
a good
scene.
situation.
I don't do it
Wait,
properly.
cut. We go to shopping scenes.
Oh my God, we actually like do
That
this
I've done.
thing.
Yeah, but एक दिल्ली वाली जो है मुंबई वाली को दिल्ली लेके जा रही है shopping
Okay,
करने.
so I'm in
Sarojini
Delhi
में.
and we're shopping.
Okay,
हाँ.
okay,
Go for it.
okay.
Hey, remember we had the fight last time?
Yeah,
I'm so
yeah,
glad
yeah.
we made up.
I know.
So I came to visit you in Delhi.
Okay, fine.
It's damn cool, yeah.
तेरी ड्रेसिंग सेंस बहुत फकौल है.
What?
हाँ, मैं तेरे को चल कुछ कपड़े दिलाती हूँ. Come with me.
You know, I'm very offended, but
We'll buy casual stuff. We'll go to
Okay.
Emporio. We'll keep it very casual.
Very casual.
Okay, we'll go to Marc Jacobs first.
Okay.
After which, we'll just drop by at Chanel just to see, like, you know, just basic accessories, like shit you can wear to the gym and all of
Right.
that. So then, yeah.
that's just shut up, I'll slap you. That's amazing.
Yeah, that's the best.
Okay,
Okay.
चलो.
ठीक है. भैया, चलो. चलो.
Shut up. This is amazing. Okay, now at
So
the market.
bad, yeah. I'm not like this. What is this? हमारे careers चले जाएंगे.
Guys, this is
I'm from
This
Delhi
is
and
not
I'm doing
how
such a
this
bad
is.
job.
we will not
I'm a Delhi girl. We're not
What
like
details?
this.
Kanisha will
Shame
send
on
the
me.
links.
Yes, I will send you links. As
I'll
soon as
just
you write a
block
hate
all of
comment,
you.
I will send you.
Just don't hate me or I will block you.
Don't hate her.
मुझे hate मत करो.
Okay, now the three girls on the show.
Yeah.
So dude, there are so many questions जो लड़कियों को हमेशा लोग पूछते हैं, ठीक है?
कि मतलब
frequently asked
pasties गिर
questions.
जाते हैं और
बहुत सारी चीजें.
Okay.
तो संगीता wants to know today
हाँ.
has become FAQs, frequently asked questions to girls.
Okay.
ठीक है? Tell me how do you answer these questions? यार तू weight lose करेगी तो कितनी hot लगेगी?
But I'm not selling my looks. I'm selling my personality. Boom. This is my answer.
Okay, Malika.
हाँ पर चल पहले फ्राइज तो खा लो. वो भी कर लेंगे.
Okay, are you PMSing?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah. Like,
So,
Are you always
yeah, stay
PMSing?
away from me, basically.
yeah,
stay
I'm always PMSing. This,
Yeah.
that's my personality.
Yeah.
That I PMS.
I PMS. It's my
Yeah.
my personality now.
Okay, why do you always fall in love with the bad guy?
मुझे इज्जत रस नहीं आती छोटे बाबू.
They're the ones who, know what I want.
Yeah, and I think because I'm also like really bad.
Exactly.
अच्छा लगता है कि
Because
competition.
that's a great answer. Why do you
Yeah.
date bad boys? Because I'm bad.
Because I'm bad.
Okay. Shopping again? कितना shopping करती हो यार तुम लोग?
जितना मेरा मन करेगा, ओके. शॉपिंग अच्छी होती है. शॉपिंग पीपल की तरह जज नहीं करती. कपड़े बात नहीं करते, उनसे बात नहीं करनी पड़ती. पैसे दो, खरीदो, घर जाओ. सो सिंपल.
Super.
Great answer.
Yeah, great answer.
वक्त कहाँ चला जाता है पता ही नहीं चलता.
Copy paste.
As opposed to और बता, और बता, और बता, और बता, और बता, और बता.
इसके बाद वो कुछ नहीं बोलेगा.
हाँ, exactly.
Do you have any other addition to
No,
that?
this is a mouthful.
How many selfies do you guys click? मतलब what's with you guys and pouting?
Are these boys asking these questions? Because
Who
they're
asked
not-
these questions?
In general.
Sangeeta?
Sangeeta,
I think you need new friends. They're really judgy, your
Yeah.
friends.
These are people who anyway judge.
Yeah.
Why take so many selfies? I mean, because I like my face.
Yeah.
there's no harm with that.
There is no, and why do we pout? Because my face looks thinner when I pout.
Yeah.
That's
Right?
actually true.
It's
huh? That's true.
Like my jawline goes in. I actually I look so much sexier when I pout. You see, look.
I look like an
I'm going to do
idiot.
the rest of the interview like this.
Yeah, I
Go
think
for
it's
it.
fairly recent.
शादी कब हो रही है या बच्चे कब पैदा कर रही है
बच्चे नहीं करने हैं आंटी
बच्चे नहीं करने
Auntie, I like studios and
मैं खुद ही बच्चा हूँ मैं खुद को पाल लूँ वही अच्छा है which is true guys like really I'm just too busy raising myself
Fair.
yeah
I'm divorced, so no one asks me that question anymore.
No, but if they
plus
ask me,
बच्चे
what you
पैदा
answer?
करके मैं अपना फिगर खराब नहीं
get
करना
married.
चाहती
You know, you sound like Kangna.
oh sorry
Beach में. Have you noticed that in most of her
big
Dub
fan of
Smash
hers?
videos, there is a
Little bit of
makeup Didi becomes Kangna Ranaut. Have you tried imitating her?
you're saying this
Listen,
you're
I
saying
swear.
all of this
you should try imitate her.
I'm
Try,
not
come
saying
on.
a thing
Oh my god, you should really
Please.
try imitate
Try.
her.
I can
Try.
Try.
Do.
don't tell me how to live my life एक गैंगस्टर से प्यार किया है मैंने
किससे?
गैंगस्टर
Gang.
I am not going to Burma
This is damn good. Okay. लड़की हो और गाली देती हो मतलब it's so not cool.
हाँ मैं
Like,
yeah
But you know you get this.
isn't this coming on TV so I think everything we say is going to be beeped
you bloody Tia Churel, Gaan Fadi, Nakkas Banawe, Nakkas.
louder yeah
Yeah.
sandwich
Bosrika.
you can't beep this you cannot beep this it doesn't even sound like the original you have to keep this I think this is a new way to abuse just mispronounce all the gali
You Chattiya, you Bosrika, aap lund hai. Bada lund.
That's a compliment for us.
beautiful
And
Ka uni bada hai.
uni
क्या? Uni?
What is vagina in Hindi?
yoni
Uni?
yoni na
It's called yoni.
no I know
I don't even know this.
no because vagina monologues the play is called kissa yoni ka in Hindi so I'm
Yes,
assuming
it's
that
yoni. But I'm impressed.
Thank you.
You didn't know other Hindi words,
I
but
know
you know vagina.
yeah.
This is fabulous, guys.
I think everyone knows what penis is. Lund.
Yeah.
What else is it called? Poppet.
Ghanta.
No one knows what vagina is. It's very sexist that people don't know what vagina is.
Listen, do you? A lot of people say this, huh? Which I also agree कि सब गाली जो है, वो लड़कियों के नाम पे होती है.
हाँ.
So, do you think it's cool or not cool?
You know, honestly, like when I did,
Actually, Saurabh Pant came here last
Yeah.
time and he said कि नहीं, मैंने decide किया अब मैं गाली जो है वो लड़कों के नाम पे दूंगा. Your take.
Honestly, हम ऐसे हर चीज के सेमांटिक्स में अगर घुस जाएंगे ना
Girl, boy.
तो बहुत सारी चीजें हमें फिर क्वेश्चन करनी पड़ेंगी एंड आई एग्री इट्स नॉट देयर इज नो भाई एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट
Yeah.
but it's because these galis are in a way addressed to men, right? They're talking about women but then they're being said to men. So they can also complain why are they being said to us. End of the day you just have to understand there is an emotion behind a gali and it really doesn't mean anything and of course I know it's too trivial. It's too stupid to trivialize it and say it doesn't mean anything. But I'm just saying that a lot of times you don't need to get into the nitty-gritties of it. मतलब किसी को मन कर रहा है गाली आई
तो दे दे.
Yeah, it's not exactly semantics.
Yeah.
It's not the mother or father part. It's just
Yeah, we
the
don't
emotion
actually
behind
mean
it.
it. It's just
It's what you're actually
Yeah.
saying behind that. It's
Right.
not like you're just angry and you're trying to
yeah.
insult somebody.
It's not the
a
meaning
word.
at all.
Yes.
Like गुस्से में आप थोड़ी meaningful
I
चीजें
agree with her
बोलते हो.
completely.
तो अगर बच्चे के सामने गाली देनी पड़े
हाँ.
तो क्या देते हो? Like people say, oh fish or oh whatever.
Oh, fish.
Fish,
So,
yeah.
fish.
Oh,
Yeah.
fish. In front of kids, I'm just like, oh.
Duck, yaar.
Yeah.
Duck, man.
Oh, fuck.
What? Just duck off.
Fuck off.
Duck off.
Duck yourself, okay?
Just suck
How the
off.
duck is going?
Do you?
Listen, what is the reaction घर पे with all the galis happening, Dub Smash video पे, YouTube पे? Are they like okay with it?
You know, my mom once asked, you know, like there's some comedians who do a very clean comedy, and she came to watch my stand-up, and I'm talking about my breast and whatnot. And she's like, why can't you do clean comedy like your friends Abish and Kenny? I was like, you know, why can't you do like not sexual comedy? I was like, because I'm having a lot of sex, mom. I have a lot to say on it about it. unlike them, I get a lot more action. So I have a lot more to say about it.
Sure, can you go?
Oh my God.
No.
They are going to duck now.
No. But like, that was my answer. I'm like,
Yeah.
you just need to be okay with this. Like, I
Yeah.
can't censor myself as a comedian.
So they're okay with it now.
Now they're okay with it. Now they're just like, you know what? We've given up on her. Like,
जो करना है कर.
just do it. Like, there's nothing to say.
Okay, what about you, Malika?
So, my dad has never said anything, you know. My mom's damn cute, so she loves forwarding everything I do to all her friends and this and that. So she'll come to me, she goes, वो ना इस साल में थोड़ी गालियाँ ज़्यादा थी, तो मैंने ऐसे ना disclaimer लिख के फिर सबको भेजा, sorry about the language. I'm like, why? I'm not sorry about the language. What is this shit? Or sometimes I don't think she forwards it if it's like, you know, gali or whatever. But now it's pretty chilled out, yeah. Because the thing is, people around us react to it, na, they love it.
Yeah.
It's not that they love that we're doing galis, but it's very natural, yeah. Everybody, I mean, profanity is not something that we've created out of nothing.
Everyone
It's a
uses
part of our everyday life,
Right.
and it's cool. It's
So
all right.
it's just that initially the parents were like,
Yeah,
oh, and
okay.
now they're like, okay, we see it's part of your
Yeah,
like
exactly.
your act and your
Oh,
comedy.
superb.
Yeah.
But you know, I had too much fun आज के episode में of Yaar Mera Superstar. But you know, Kaneez and Malika,
Yeah.
few words in your character and तुम तो हिंदी बोल
हिंदी
दो
में बोलो.
बस. हाँ. क्या बोलना चाहती हो to all those people who are watching us right now?
मैं क्या बोलो, मैं आपका पहला शुक्रिया आप ये देखा और जब आप ये बंद करो, आप सोचा क्या सीखा ये इंटरव्यू में और आप सोचा मैं कुछ नहीं सीखा. वो लोग सब गंदा बोले.
This was your end.
शुक्रिया.
और लिंक हम भेजेगा.
हाँ क्या हाँ और आप ये अच्छा नहीं लगेगा कोई बात नहीं ये आपका ओपिनियन है मैं क्या जज करूँ आपको तो मैं कल सब
वापस आएगा.
मैं कल वापस आएगा और आप तुम्हारा देखा
हाँ.
और चलो हम सब दोस्त थे
I like this. This is cute. तुमको समझ में आया? Amazing.
हम सब
Malika.
दोस्त.
Get those people out now, please. कंचन, कोमल, मेकअप दीदी.
थैंक्स आप लोग ऐसे मुझे इंटरव्यू कर रहे हो मतलब और थैंक्स संगीता का कि मेरी ब्यूटीफुल से डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं हुई है एंड काफ़ी मतलब आत्मविश्वास वगैरह रखा इसने तो इट वाज ग्रेट. अगर आपको पसंद नहीं आएगा तो ज़रूर कमेंट कीजिए तो मुझे पता चल जाए मैं आपको ब्लॉक कर दूँगी. जस्ट लेट मी नो ओके एंड जस्ट टेक केयर.
So this was आज का episode of यार मेरा सुपरस्टार. बहुत ज़्यादा fun happened आज. Of course next week और भी बातें होंगी. Stay tuned to Zoom. Turn on.
बाय.